Ever left a networking event wondering why you even showed up? Polite chats, fake smiles, but no real results? I'm Julian, founder of onesociallife. I help high-performing men to build elite social circles in less than 1 month and attract high-quality women by using the onesociallife system no matter where they live. If you want my full step-by-step plan on how to build your elite social circle, even if you are introverted or starting from zero, you can see my free guide in the link below. The truth is, you don't need to be outgoing. You don't need to walk the entire room. You don't need to spend hours having shallow conversations. In this video, I will show you my 3-step system to master networking in just 15 minutes, even if you hate small talk. And stay until the end, because I will also share the rapid connection framework that completely changed my own networking results and allowed my client Jay to go from socially awkward to making serious business and dating connections in record time. So, step number 1, position yourself. Master silent networking first. Networking doesn't start when you start talking. It starts before you say a single word, with your positioning and non-verbal presence. So, why positioning changes everything. At every event or place you go, people scan the room subconsciously. Who looks approachable, who seems confident, who feels socially calibrated. Before you even speak, your physical presence is already communicating your social status. And the mistake most guys make: hiding in corners, hovering by the walls, staring at their phones, acting busy to avoid discomfort, or waiting for someone to initiate. This passive energy signals low confidence. And the fix? Anchor yourself. You want to position yourself where socially flow happens. It can be the bar, the coffee area, walking path, around friendly, open groups. Now you are naturally included into conversations. Another thing is the body language formula. Shoulders back, chest open, feet planted, hands visible. Also light eye contact. What always helps is relax, micro smile. And the science behind is easy. 55% is body language, 38% tone of voice, 7% words. So it's not what you say, it's how you say. You can look that up. My client Jay, he struggled standing confidently at events. He works in finance but felt invisible in networking rooms. After coaching his positioning and anchoring, people started approaching him. He got introduced to high-level entrepreneurs, business referrals increased, attractive women noticed him differently. Before he even spoke, his positioning started building connections. Step number 2, use pattern interrupt openers. Skip small talk. Small talk burns your energy fast, I can tell you that. Especially if you are introverted or logical, like many of my clients. You are stuck in surface level questions. What do you do? Where are you from? How long have you been doing this? This creates flat, forgettable conversations. But here's the fix. Use pattern interrupts. Your goal is not to impress, it's to create curiosity and emotionally spikes early. There are some example openers like, be honest, are you actually here to network or just for the free drinks? Easy one. Or serious question. Who has been the most interesting person you have met here so far? Another one is, how do you personally survive these networking events? Why this works? It breaks autopilot conversations, sparks humor, shows social calibration, makes you stand out instantly. Also, another one, breaking rapport. You can do it with controlled playfulness. Let me give you an example to make it clear. You can say something, you secretly run this event. Should I be nervous? Or you came dressed like you are closing 5 deals today. Respect. Another one. You are building a playful vibe fast. Networking isn't about talking longer. It's about creating quick emotional connection. Back to Jay. When Jay used these pattern interrupts, everything changed. Instead of overthinking what to say, he focused on playing the emotional game. Quickly, he built business leads, got invited into private rooms, met women organically through business circles. High-level people are drawn to those who build emotional comfort fast. Step number 3, lead with value, become the connector. This is where real networking power kicks in. Stop trying to sell yourself. Start becoming a connector. Why this works? High value people want introduction and access. You instantly become memorable. You build leverage fast. And if you want to know how to lead with value, ask what projects people are excited about. Look for ways they can help each other. Facilitate simple introductions. One example here, let's say person A is building a product brand. Then we have person B who says, I do digital marketing. And then you just simply can say, hey, actually, you two should definitely talk. Sounds like there's synergy here. What you have done, you have provided instant value without pitching yourself. Just connecting people. That's easy. Even if there's no business fit, connect socially. Also, another example here is you both admitted you have already had 3 coffees. Caffeine addicts attract each other naturally. Light humors and facilitation equals instant positioning. Find commonalities. Again, the J effect. By becoming a connector, Jay got invited to masterminds, co-hosted private events, skyrocketed his social proof, attracted high-quality women naturally. And why networking grows both income and dating life? In business, your network grows your income. In dating, status creates opportunities. High-level rooms expose you to first entrepreneurs, investors, decision makers, attractive high-status women. Learn how to control the room socially. Everything compounds. My 15 minutes networking mindset shift I mentioned initially. So here we go. You don't need to meet everyone. You only need 1 or 2 real connections per event, per going out. Why this works? Less pressure, energy efficient, deeper connections, and that leads to referrals naturally. And my flow anchor myself, open playfully with pattern interrupts, screen for vibes, stay engaged if there is flow. And if not, you can exit politely, of course. No problem. My favorite exit line is something I use sometimes. Hey, I'm bouncing around, but let's definitely reconnect. What's your IG? That's smooth, polite, and forward moving, and you got the contacts. Networking isn't about collecting business cards. It's about building real leverage. If you want me to personally show you exactly how to apply this system and build your elite social circle no matter where you live, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Inside my program, I work with high-performing men who are serious about finally breaking out of isolation, building powerful social circles, dating high-quality women, and building real status without wasting years trying to figure it out all alone. And you don't need to fake being extroverted. You don't need to dominate the room. You don't need surface level conversations for hours. You just need a system that creates social leverage where 1 or 2 strong connections open doors to business, friendships, and elite dating opportunities. Because 90 days from now, you could walk into any room and build both your income and your dating life at the same time. The men who win, they take action, they stay consistent, and they let the system do the work. Wherever you are right now, this is your moment. The link is below if you are ready. And if you want to go even deeper, check out more, make sure to watch my other video where I talk about how to master small talk with attractive women. That's a very interesting one. So see you there then. I hope to talk to you soon.